I'm Patty with Holyland Marketplace. Food at the Time of the Bible is a wonderful 100-page, easy-to-read book where you will find unique, in-depth information on just about every aspect of food in the Bible. There is an absolutely wonderful collection of biblically inspired, easy-to-prepare recipes, from unleavened bread and soups to King Solomon's chicken and Sage's wheat dessert, an array of delicious dishes to share with your family and friends. You will discover that Scripture, the most important inspiration in our spiritual lives, can be an inspiration in the kitchen as well. So to purchase Food at the Time of the Bible, visit us at holylandmarketplace.com. Well, that's all the time we have today. I'll see you next time.
Will you consider joining us today as we give hope and support to God's people? Check out holylandmarketplace.com.